Go Savvy Designs is always up for Embroidery Challenge.
Let's embroider on a golf bag. Let's embroider on a golf bag. When working on challenging items like a golf bag, using the right techniques can make all the difference. Here are two key details to help new embroiders get started with hooping difficult items. Use a stabilizer for a firm base. Difficult surfaces, especially curved or non-stretch ones like a golf bag, can benefit from an additional stabilizer. Why it helps, a stabilizer,
whether it's water soluble, tear away or cut away, depending on your project,
provides extra support behind the fabric, preventing puckering and shifting. This creates a smooth, even surface for your stitches. Pro tip, choose a stabilizer that complements your fabric's weight and texture. Apply it as recommended to secure the fabric in place within the hoop. Ensure tight, even tension in the hoop. Achieving consistent tension across your material is crucial for a neat finish. Uneven or loose tension can cause the fabric to shift or bunch up during stitching, especially on curved surfaces like a golf bag. A snugly hooped design minimizes movement and leads to cleaner embroidery. Pro tip, start by positioning your item in the hoop and adjusting the tension gradually for extra security. Consider using additional methods like double-sided tape or a temporary adhesive spray to hold the material firmly while you work.
Go Savvy Designs, they don't stop. Thread in hand, we bout to pop. Golf bag ready, needle sharp. Creating art, it's in our heart. Fabric strong, colors loud. Stand out, bright within the crowd. Stitch by stitch, a masterpiece. Under sun or trees release. Embroider on that golf bag. Turn those greens into a brag. Art and sport, they intertwine, making memories one stitch at a time. Greens are lush, the bag is fresh. Patterns bloom, they mesh the best. Eagle lands as threads align. Each stroke crafted, yeah, it's prime. Threads in rhythm with this beat. Needle dances can't be beat. Sessions form a tapestry. Golf in style and harmony. Embroider on that golf bag. Turn those greens into a brag. Art and sport, they intertwine, making memories one stitch at a time.
Savvy Designs, they don't stop. Thread in hand, we bout to pop. Golf bag ready, needle sharp. Creating art, it's in our heart. Fabric strong, colors loud. Stand out bright within the crowd. Stitch by stitch, a masterpiece. Under sun or trees release. Embroider on that golf bag. Turn those greens into a brag. Art and sport, they intertwine, making memories one stitch at a time. Jeans are lush, the bag is fresh. Patterns bloom, they mesh the best. Eagle lands as threads align. Each stroke crafted, yeah, it's prime. Frets in rhythm with this beat. Needle dances can't be beat. Featured form a tapestry. Golf and style in harmony. Embroider on that golf bag. Turn those greens into a brag. Art and sport, they intertwine. Making memories one stitch at a time.